We are a natural and artificial stone factory and offer stone repairs, among other things. Minor damage such as dents, scratches or broken edges can happen very quickly. Since we have been repairing these with StoneLux, our customers are delighted with the perfect and quick result.
It is precisely these perfect results, for example on natural stone, quartz composite, ceramics, stoneware or tiles, that have already convinced over 20,000 users to use StoneLux. In fact, for almost 2 decades. Back in 2004, StoneLux helped professionals carry out stone repairs quickly, permanently, in high quality, and almost invisibly. Continuous additions followed, such as modified composites of the StoneLux tile system for the repair of tiles and slabs. To the delight of the companies carrying out the repairs. And by listening to these specialists, we have incorporated years of experiences with thousands of repairs into the new StoneLux 2.0 generation. Instead of the previous separate repair cases, StoneLux 2.0 now impresses with interlocking kits and components that are configured to the respective situation. All the materials and accessories needed for surface repairs are assembled together in robust cases. Everything is clearly arranged in its place, ready to hand. StoneLux 2.0 is more comprehensive than its predecessors and even more practical to use. And you will also quickly notice the improvement. The Connex Click system already makes your work easier on your way to the job, as this makes it very easy to connect the repair case and supplementary kits. Everything can still be held in one hand, making long distances easier. Once you have arrived at the repair site, you have 13 new repair pastes available in the ceramic repair kit. These are color-coordinated with modern sintered materials, quartz composites, tiles, stoneware, and sanitary ceramics. As a result, any defects on these modern materials can also be repaired extremely productively to match their color as closely as possible. A wide variety of surface structures can also be reproduced using a special impression technique. You can also complete the light curing 4 times faster. The powerful Bluetron power light reduces the time from 1 minute to just 15 seconds. In addition, Bluetron clearly and purposefully guides you through the individual steps and informs you continuously about the respective device status. So, when you need to restore a perfect appearance, StoneLux 2.0 is the loyal partner to support you.
With StoneLux 2.0, we're now better equipped for the future. We can repair damage even faster, more efficiently, and more cost-effectively. Our customers appreciate this sustainable repair service.
StoneLux 2.0. Repair is what you make of it.